Hello and welcome again to a mini tutorial from Upvc Spares for Repairs. Today we're looking at replacing the lockbox on the Excalibur door locking mechanism. This one is located with a Torque Z screws, 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. And you will already notice that the centre screw is slightly shorter than the others, so it's important to remember to keep them in that position so you don't get mixed up when you come to put them back in again. As you lift the 16mm plate away from the lockbox, you will see on the rear that there are some locating slots there and there, which are to go into the slots within the box. So what we do is we take out the old box and bring in the new one, locating the arm to that side and the arm to that side. Oops, putting back in the screw in the right slot. Number 1, short one in the middle. Number 2, finally number 3. And then should you discover when it's delivered, the lockbox, that the latch is the wrong way around, it's fairly simple. It's just offering a PZ2 screwdriver, unscrew the screw, turn around the latch, re-screw down the latch, and it's good to go back into the door. Simple, straightforward. Thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you again sometime.